Hello friends, welcome to all. Here we are continuing with the second thing, that is the learning, labor and leadership. Here in the first class we have seen how women are considering to be the important in our society. How the emancipation and empowerment of women are important to our society, isn't it? So here, let me say about learning first. Here learning means education, isn't it? Here let me say about what Christine Lagarde says about education. Here, first about learning. Education is the foundation upon which any change is built. Here, learning helps women to help themselves to break the shackles of exclusion. Nowhere is this more essential than in the developing world. There is an African adage that goes, if you educate a boy, you train a man. If you educate a girl, you train a village. Here, if learning is the first step, labor is the second. Okay, now let me start with the learning. Okay, here first about learning. What's given about learning? How education is important to women. What are the things to bear in our mind? Here, education is the foundation upon which any change is built. By getting education, that is the foundation. Education is the foundation, adittara. By getting education, we can change anything, isn't it? By getting education, we can change. Hereby, the change is built. You can build the changes. Here, new ideas you will get by getting education, by experience too, isn't it? So here, learning helps women to help themselves and break the shackles of exclusion. By getting education, what will happen? That will help themselves to break the shackles of exclusion. That to break the shackles of exclusion, here to break the shackles of bondage. There is a limitation for women. By getting education, you can break the shackles, you can break the bondage, you can break the limitation. Okay, so here learning helps women to help themselves and break the shackles of exclusion. നമുക്ക് എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതിലൂടെ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ സാധിക്കും? യു ക്യാൻ ബ്രേക്ക് ദ ഷാക്കിൾസ് ഓഫ് എക്സ്ക്ലൂഷൻ. നമുക്ക് ആ ബോണ്ടേജ്, ആ ലിമിറ്റേഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന കാര്യത്തിനെ നമുക്ക് എന്താണ് ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ സാധിക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. So here, nowhere is this more essential than in the developing world. Here, our world is developing rapidly. So according to that, our mindset should be changed. Isn't it? Should be changed. So for that, education is very necessary. Here, nowhere is this more essential than in the developing world. There is an African adage that goes, here there is an African chol. What is that? What's given here? Here there is an African adage that goes, if you educate a boy, you train a man. If you educate a girl, you train a village. So, by getting education to boy, you train a man. Okay, if you give education to a boy, you are training a man. You are training as a man. But if you give education to the girl, you train a village. You are training the village. Isn't it? Don't you think like that? Yes. Here, what's given here? If you educate a boy, you train a man. നമ്മൾ ഒരു മനുഷ്യനായിട്ട് ട്രെയിൻ ചെയ്യുന്നു. If you give education to girl, what will happen? You are training a village. It's a fact, isn't it? So here, if learning is just the first step, labor is the second one. So, the 3 L's, first one is learning. What is given in learning? That is, education is the foundation by make any changes. You can build any changes. By education, you can break the shackles of exclusion. Then, another one, for the developing world, women potential is very important. And the fourth point is the African adage that if you train a boy, you train a man. If you educate a boy, you train a man. If you educate a girl, you train a village. Okay? Now we are moving to the second L's, that is labor. Labor is the second one. Labor facilitates women to flourish and achieve their true potential. But at present, when women participate in the workforce, they too often tend to get stuck in low paying, low status and low security jobs. Globally, women earn only 3/4 as much as men. Even with the same level of education and the same occupation. Surely, one of our most basic norms should be equal pay for equal work. The recent researchers showed that eliminating gender gaps in economic participation can bring an increase in per capita income. Let us see what's given in the second paragraph, that is here about labor. We have seen the first step is learning. The second one is labor. Here, some girls, they are getting education, but they are not willing to work because they are feeling that it is not safe for us. They want to be in the comfort zone. They don't want to take risk. Not only that, they are not getting the status or security like men. Isn't it? So let us see what is given here. Labor facilitates women to flourish and achieve their true potential. Here, labor facilitates women to flourish. Here, by getting job that make women to be in progress. Isn't it? Here, by getting education and sitting in home, there won't be any use. After getting education, we have to enter to the next one, that is the labor, that is the job. Here, labor facilitates women to flourish and achieve their true potential. They have the true abilities. They have to achieve that. Here, and achieve their true potential. But at present, പക്ഷേ ഇപ്പോൾ when women participate in the workforce, if women participate in the workforce, what will happen? They too often tend to get stuck in low paying, low status and low security. If women are going to work, what they are getting? They are getting low status, low security, and another one is low pay. They are not getting salary as like men. They are not getting status like men. They are not getting security as like men. So, here the women participate in the workforce. They too often tend to get stuck. They are not able to show their true potential because they are getting low status, low paying and low security jobs. Globally, women earn only 3/4 as much as men. മൂന്നിൽ ഒരു പങ്കാണ് കിട്ടുന്നത്. Here when we compare men and women's salary, the women are getting only 3/4 of men. Okay. സ്ത്രീകൾക്ക് എത്രയാണ് കിട്ടുന്നത്? Only 3/4 of men. Here, women earn only 3/4 as much as men, even with the same level of education and in the same occupation. Here, both men and women, they have the same education. And they are doing the same job, but the woman is getting low salary. Why? It's a question, isn't it? It's a question. Why they are getting low salary and low status and low security? So they are not ready to come forward. The women are not ready to come forward. They are stuck in low paying, low status and low security. And in the women earn only 3/4 as much men, even with the same level of education and in the same occupation. Surely, one of our most basic norms should be equal pay for equal work. So here, the basic norms, here basic idea. Here, one of our basic ideas should be equal pay for equal work. The idea. What is the idea given here? That was insisted by Christine Lagarde. Equal pay for equal work. ഒരേപോലെ ജോലി ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടോ ഒരേപോലെ സാലറിയും കൊടുക്കണം എന്നുള്ളത്. Okay, here next one. The reason researchers show that eliminating gender gaps in economic participation can bring an increase in per capita income. Here the reason researchers show that eliminating gender gap, we have to eliminate the gender gap. ആൺ പെൺ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരു വേർതിരിവ് അവിടെ പാടില്ല. When we come to a institution or in a company, there won't be any gender gaps. We have to eliminate the gender gaps. We are all equal in that institution or in any company or etc. Here, the reason researchers show that eliminating gender gaps in economic participation can bring an increase in per capita income. So, by doing like that, we can increase the per capita income. You can raise the annual income. Okay, so here we have to eliminate the gender gaps. By eliminating the gender gaps, we can increase the per capita income. Okay, so what are the things that was given about labor? Here the first one is the labor that facilitates women to flourish and achieve their true potential. The women have true potential. How can they prove that? By doing the work. So women has to come. Isn't it? Women have to come forward. And the second one is the women are getting stuck in low paying and low status and low security. So women are not getting salary or status, or another one low paying, security and status. So they are not ready to come forward. And the next one is they are getting only the 3/4 as much as men. They are getting only 3/4 of the salary of men. And here the basic idea. The next point is the basic idea. What is the basic idea? Here equal work for equal pay for equal work. Okay, equal pay for equal work. Then the another one is here the reason researchers are saying that we have to eliminate the gender gaps. We have to eliminate the gender gaps. Then only we can increase the per capita income. Okay, we can increase the per capita income. So, now we have completed the first three L's, isn't it? That is the learning, and another one is which one? The labor. Okay, here we have to see a little more in the labor that we can see in the next class. Thank you.